Okay, you guys, we're gonna make a lime mango. We're gonna do a lime mango mojito. So let's get started. And I want to thank you in advance for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up so that YouTube knows I'm around. Thanks. Bye. Well, not quite bye yet. Okay, here's a quick look of all of the ingredients we're going to be using, except for I don't have the club soda. So anyway, here is the clear glass, mixing glass that I have. I wanted to show you guys what I have. It's about a half of a lime in there, or a little bit over a half of a lime. I'm adding in about 10 to 12 mint leaves. I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I am melting that all together. I just wanted to let you do it in this kind of a glass so you can actually see what I'm doing. It's also extracting all of the lime juice. If you want to not do any of this, you can just do two tablespoons of lime juice and not do this if you want. Anyways, I added in some mango simple syrup. You can use fresh mangoes if you want. I will have another video for you guys with the fresh ingredients. And then I'm adding in about 3 ounces of rum. And I'm using the light rum. And here is the club soda that I did not show you earlier, but it gives it a nice refreshing taste. I'm pouring all of this on top of some ice. And you know your girl's gonna get all of it out of the container. You can't waste anything. So anyway, I'm going to shake, do your little dance here, get your shake on. Anyway, I'm going to take this and put it in a wonderful glass after I pop it open, and that's how I pop it open. And I'm going to pour it into a glass for you guys. A strainer would be good, but for people who don't know how to do it. But for me, since I am a bartender, learned in college, and I did go to school for bartending. So anyway, I'm straining it. I'm going to pull out all of my mint leaves with my spoon because I did not have the garnishes in the glass. So I want to really just put the mint back in there. It is a very pretty presentation when you do that. You guys, give your girl a thumbs up. It's some hard work here. I'm garnishing it with the lime pinwheel. I'm adding in a wonderful straw, a sprig of mint, and here you go, a nice refreshing drink for the summer. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.